Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of my ukulele chord melodies, How Can I Keep From Singing? This is sort of a special arrangement for me because it is included for free on my website, but it's also included with a book, a collection of the chord melodies that I've arranged on my website, which is number one way to have it all with you in one spot, but number two, a way to support the work that I do here on this channel and in the ukulele world. I'll also make a note that I do have a book of ukulele chord melody traditional hymns available for purchase at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. So if you like this arrangement, I have a number more. I think it's 67 different hymns in that book for sale if you're interested in that as well. If you want to support the work on this channel and the work that I do in the ukulele world, there are some other things you can do beyond buying an ebook. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the Uke Playlongs channel and the Uke Stuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the song How Can I Keep From Singing on GCEA ukulele and then baritone DGBE ukulele. Afterwards, I'll do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele and a tutorial for baritone DGBE ukulele. Let's do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele. We're going to start with playing a G chord, and we're going to play the third string by itself. Then strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, then a normal G chord. Second string, C chord, but really not temporarily. We're just going to play all 4 strings open. Second string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Third string, 2nd fret, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string, 2nd fret. If you're playing the G chord, it's just walking right up. Now, reach up and play the first string, 5th fret with your pinky. Lift up the pinky, then G chord, D chord. Third string, 2nd fret. You should be in the right spot for that. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string, open, full G chord. Second string, all 4 strings open. Second string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Repeat the second string. Make a G chord shape, strings 4 and 3. String 2, G. First string open, D chord, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now this is where I get my hand ready for the next chord. This is actually a G chord higher on the ukulele. We're only going to be playing strings 3, 2, and 1 for a while here. We're not going to play the 4th string at all. First finger is going to play the 1st string, 5th fret, and fingers 2 and 3 are going to go to string 3 and 2 at the 7th fret. And when you're in that position, really it's the ring finger that's got to land first here. And you're going to play the 2nd string, 7th fret, and then that chord with strings 3, 2, and 1. Repeat the 1st string, the chord again. 2nd string, 7th fret, then down to a D chord. first string, second fret, and then the first finger jumps over to the second string, third fret, and fingers 2 and 3 play the fourth and third strings at the fourth fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, G chord. Repeat the first string, G chord. First string open, G chord, and the pinky comes to the first string, 5th fret. Now jump up to that 5th fret again. Be ready to play the second string, 7th fret. Really, that ring finger is the most important one to set. Play the second string, the chord, strings 3, 2, 1. Repeat the first string, that chord again. Second string. Then ring finger slides down to the second string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, open, then make a G chord shape. Play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string, open, G chord. First string, open, then D chord, and then G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's a fast change. And that's How Can I Keep From Singing on GCEA Ukulele. Now let's do a tutorial on baritone DGBE ukulele for the song How Can I Keep From Singing. We're going to make a D shape with our hand, and we're going to play just the third string. Then strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, then a full D chord. Second string, then lift up all 4 strings. Second string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Third string, 2nd fret, D shape, strings 4, 3, 2. First string, then reach up and play the first string, 5th fret with your pinky. Lift up the pinky, then that D chord shape, and then an A chord. Third string, 2nd fret, D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, D chord, second string, 3rd fret, all 4 strings open. Second string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. Repeat the second string. Make a D chord shape again, strings 4 and 3. Second string, full D chord. First string open, and then a quick change, an A chord, and then a D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now, for the next part of the song, we're going to reset playing a D chord at the 5th fret. So the first finger is going to go to the first string, 5th fret. Really what is important is that the ring finger goes to the second string, 7th fret, and eventually the second finger is going to go on the third string, 7th fret. But we really need that ring finger set so we can play the second string, 7th fret, and then that chord, strings 3, 2, and 1. Repeat the first string, then that chord again. Second string again, then jump down to an A chord. First string, 2nd fret, and then a B minor chord. So first finger is playing the second string, 3rd fret, and fingers 2 and 3 are playing the 4th and 3rd string at the 4th fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, D chord. First string by itself, D chord. First string open, D chord, and then the pinky comes down the first string, 5th fret. Play all 4 strings. Reset for that D chord at the 5th fret. Again, it's the second string, 7th fret. That's the important one. Then the chord, first string, chord, second string. Then ring finger slides down and plays the second string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string open, D chord, strings 4 and 3. Repeat the third string, D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, D chord. First string open, then a quick change, A chord, then a D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's How Can I Keep From Singing on baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial for one of my ukulele chord melodies, How Can I Keep From Singing. Again, it's available free for purchase at my website at ukestuff.info. Just go to ukulele music and then my ukulele tabs. Again, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.